Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to a very good opportunity for the 2022 freshers batch. If you are from BTech MBA, if you are pursuing BTech MBA and if you are pass out in 2022 batch, so you are eligible for this opportunity. This salary package is 4 to 6.5 LPA and the internship stipend is 20,000 rupees. So in this video we talk about how you can apply for this opportunity, what are the some job description and what are the all the other complete information about that role and and how you can apply and what are the next steps. So let's start the video. Okay, so this job post will be updated on the a very good official platform that is named as the Great Learning Academy. As we know about Great Learning Academy, you can learn the most in demand skills with free online courses and certificate. Okay, and there is a very important point that during this current COVID situation, so there is a very loss in the job, and as you can see that if you are fresher, so there is experience related job is more for not for the more the freshers, but there is a very good platform that is named as a Great Learning Academy that will provide your dream job with the career boost. As you can see that they officially launched the platform for college student and fresher that you have to crack your dream job with the career boost. There is a 10k plus job posted, 29 LPA max salary, 500 plus firing partners, internship up to 7.5 LPA. Jobs and interview preparation, it will completely free. There is no fees for applying for this opportunity. As you can see that there are so many MNCs that they hire for the freshers role like Kerner, Dell, Nielsen, WNS, DXC Technology, Planet, Spark, Global Logic. Okay, so the Great Learning platform is very best for the freshers and students. Why you can choose and the Great Learning platform and you can apply for the career boost because more than 5 lakh students plus users on the platform. 100 of students have already got placed through this platform. All this is for free, so don't miss out. So in this video we discuss about 2022 batch opportunity. So the first point that it is completely free, no paying fees. Okay, and the Great Learning just announces the platform that is called the Career Plus, and it's now a career boost, and it is for the college student and fresher. You can crack your dream job with the career boost. Okay, there are 10,000 plus job posted, max salary is 29 LPA, and as you can see that this is the verified job preferred by recruiters, interview preparation, proven assessment, and you can just check the recent placement also, and as you can see that what are the packages that is offer. Okay, in this video I discuss about 2022 freshers batch opportunity, and as you can see that you can also select it for this opportunity what are the some job opportunities that for the 21-22 freshers batch or for the other batches. So how you can apply for this opportunity, and there is a very important point that in this platform if you are freshers, if you have no experience, so you can apply for this opportunity. You have just passed the JET job eligibility test. Okay, so for the business job role there is a business job eligibility test. For technical job role there is a technical job eligibility test. Okay, and new jobs added on daily basis, technical and business job. At any point of time you can apply for this opportunity. And there is one important point that you can reattempt the test after 3 days, and to prepare for this test, Great Learning Academy has a free online contest to help you. You can choose to learn from it only if you want. Applicants need not take the job eligibility test every time when they apply to the job. They just pass the job test. Okay, but before going to all of the other details, we have just go to join for free option, and for the 2022 batch how you can register for this opportunity. Just apply for this opportunity just like that. I just take the accounts. Okay, so as you can see that I just join for free and continue with Google, and I just take this email ID. Okay, so as you can see that you can have to register for this opportunity, and this is my email ID. What is my full name? So I have to just fill my full name. Okay, I just that Lokesh Bagora. What is work experience in year? If you are a currently college student, if you are 2022 batch pass out, so you have to just select that you are a current college student, and you have to fill your number. Okay, just like that, and you have to verify your number also. After that, you have to fill your password, and the password should, you can see that this is the career boost enrollment. And if you are currently a college student, or if you are a graduate, or if you have a fresher, or if you have a work experience, what are you studying or pursuing? Bachelor's, undergraduate, what is year of graduation? 2022. Latest undergraduate percent, like I just fill the 8.5. Okay, what is your university? I just select Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya. And what is my college name? Okay, so as you can see that what is the city? Okay, so I just select the Indore. And as you can see that after, what is your area of study? Okay, so if you just select if you have a computer science, electrical engineering, or other engineering, and what is the area of related, like area of interest, like data science, machine learning, software development, what brought you today? Looking to get a job, to learn a skill, here to explore. So looking to get a job, you can choose, and after that you have to just submit that option. Okay, so as you can see that, okay, as you can see that it will prepare and crack your dream job from the career boost, but it will manage your profile according to, it will manage your profile according to the 2022 batch. Okay, if you are from 2022 batch or for the other batches, it on the your profile section you will show the different job opportunities. So as you can see that this job opportunity is from the Planet Spark, and the location is Gurugram, and the application deadline is Tuesday 3rd August. Okay, as you can see that required skills is business development, excellent communication skills, and there is very one important point that Planet Spark is online platform where children learn and develop new age skills through live classes. A designation is business development trainee, and skill set is good communication and selling skills. Qualification is BE, BTech, MBA, any graduate or postgraduate or undergraduate, and batch is 2022. A stipend is 20,000 INR for the first month of training. Post training package is 6.5 LPA, and total CTC is 4 LPA fixed. Selection process is group discussion, role play, and the final round. Joining location is work from home now. Okay, so the immediate joining will be available. Interview location is online, and as you can see that academic percentage and decent academic score with any without any current backlog. Bond to be signed, not applicable. Okay, so the open position is 50, and in this 2022 batch is eligible. How to apply for this opportunity? So when you click on apply button, so there is one important point that you have to check in the description. There is a very important link that you have to first apply on that link firstly. Okay, to apply for jobs and internship, you have to just apply on that link first, and after that you have to apply for internship opportunity from Planet Spark. So you can just go to this link, and that is given in the description. Just check the link and apply for this opportunity. To be apply, you need to first clear the test for business job. Okay, so the business test is for applying to this job. Clearing this test once will make you eligible for apply to all business job. In case you did not clear the test, you can take the retake again after 3 days. There is one important point. If you want to apply the job, if you want to apply for the job opportunity from this platform, so you have to clear first the test, and if you not clear the test in the first attempt, so you can give after 3 days, but you have to complete the test first. Okay, so as you can see that this is the business job, and 30 minutes MCQ, and the skills assessed is general aptitude, and you can just started the test for technical job and test for business job. I just suggest 2022 batch that you have to complete the technical job plus test for business job, because there are so many MNCs that they hire from this platform, and soon in the upcoming month they will post the notification on this platform. Okay, so you have to apply for this opportunity. through that. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any another doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. First, give the business eligibility test or the technical eligibility test. If you clear that test, you can easily apply for this job opportunity. If you want some other videos related to that platform for the 2022 freshers batch, just comment down in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.